In this video, we're going to take a quick look at setting up anchor links inside our campaign. Now, an anchor link is a great way to hyperlink to a different section of the campaign that you've built. So in this scenario here, we've got a section called here in this issue. These are our three main categories inside this email, and we can see here, here's our detail for the first one on glamping, here's our second one on sustainable camping practices, and here's our third one on tech gadgets. Now we can set up hyperlinks called anchor links to link to specific bits of this campaign. So let's go and do it. First off, we want to click on our glamping section. Click on the edit button, and we first want to set up our anchor link here. So click at the beginning of the title, and from the WYSIWYG editor, click on the anchor. Now we just need to give our anchor link a name. So in this example, let's just call it link 1. And hit save. Okay, we can see we've got a little anchor link icon here to say it's been set up. Now let's do our next section, sustainable camping practices. Do the same again, click on anchor and give it a name. And again, we've got the little anchor link icon appeared to say we've done it. Click on save and close, and let's do our third section. Click at the beginning, click on anchor, and click on save. Okay, that's our destination set up. Now we need to create our links at the top here. So we want each one of these titles linking to the relevant section. Let's mouse over our heading section, click on edit, and now we want to highlight the first one and hyperlink it. Click on the link chain icon, and you will now see you've got an anchor section has appeared. So click on the drop down menu, and we set this to link 1. Click on that, select save. Okay, that's our first link done, and you can see it's turned green. Let's do our second one. So we highlight the second bit of text, click on the chain link icon. In the anchors section, select our link 2. Click on save. Perfect. Now let's do the final one. Highlight it with our mouse. Click on the chain link. In the anchors section, select link 3 and click on save as we did before. There we go. Perfect. So when a user clicks on this first link here, they'll be automatically scrolled down to our glamping section. When they click on sustainable camping practices, again, they will be automatically scrolled down to the relevant section here, and likewise for tech gadgets for campers. Okay, there we go. That's how we set up and use anchor links inside our campaign.